My name is Tobi Oshibanjo. I'm the founder of ELPG Gas and Tanks Limited. I'm an energy entrepreneur, always on the lookout for new opportunities in the energy industry. We're into gas, LPG, marketing and distribution. The idea, to be fair, is really born out on the fact that the consumption of gas in Nigeria is low, so we're actually not just a marketing and distribution company, we're actually a gas promoting company as well, looking to sensitize the public about the usefulness and the advantages of using gas as opposed to other cooking fuels on the market like firewood or kerosene. What really motivates us is delivering sustainable energy solutions to households or businesses in a very, very clean and efficient manner. In terms of demand, the industry is growing, but slowly. It's growing slowly due to a plethora of problems that are actually facing the industry right now. Number one, predominantly being the fact that the bulk of the market, which is actually the low income earners, cannot afford the cylinder and the other accessories that is needed to actually use gas. So that is a big hindrance in the demand side of it. On the supply side, we actually have problems in terms of infrastructure that is needed to be able to market gas in a very, very time efficient and effective manner. Firstly, if you want to get into gas retailing, our first advice is to actually get a very good location. And not just a good location, a location whereby the demographics around the location can actually support and buy the gas. That's the first advice that I would give. You must have good management skills in terms of bookkeeping and accounting and stuff like that. You must have good selling skills to be able to sell to customers around your locality. And also, with regards to the staff that you might hire, you want to train them how to operate the machinery. You want to train them in terms of health and safety issues, and so that's because, you know, as our product is actually a potentially flammable product, so we try to train health and safety and general good practices globally.